Discover 20 incredible facts about dolphins, these fascinating creatures that will change the way you see them. Number 20. Dolphin Intelligence. Dolphins are among the most intelligent animals on the planet. Their brains are highly complex, particularly the neocortex, which is involved in problem-solving and self-awareness. They have been observed exhibiting behaviors such as teaching, learning, and understanding abstract concepts. Studies have shown that dolphins can recognize themselves in mirrors, solve complex puzzles, and even understand symbolic language. This complexity places them in a unique category of cognitive abilities, similar to those of humans and great apes. Number 19. Tool use. In Shark Bay, Australia, some dolphins use marine sponges as tools. These clever dolphins cover their snouts with sponges to protect themselves while foraging on the ocean floor. This behavior showcases their ability to use tools, a trait once thought to be unique to humans and a few other species. Additionally, this tool use is taught from mother to calf, indicating a cultural transmission of knowledge within dolphin communities. Number 18. Echolocation. Dolphins possess an exceptional sonar system known as echolocation. This system is so advanced that it surpasses the sonar capabilities of bats and even human-made sonar. Dolphins can distinguish between objects similar to a steel ball 2.5 inches in diameter and one 2.25 inches in diameter, highlighting their precise sensory abilities. They emit a series of clicks and listen to the returning echoes to determine the location, size, and shape of objects, even in murky waters. Number 17. Social structure. Dolphins are highly social animals, often living in pods that can number in the thousands. Within these groups, they exhibit complex social behaviors and form strong bonds. Dolphins engage in cooperative hunting, care for each other's young, and even help sick or injured members of their pod. Their social structures are intricate and dynamic, allowing them to cooperate and communicate effectively, with some individuals forming lifelong friendships. Number 16. Communication. Dolphins are capable of producing whistles and clicks simultaneously. This remarkable ability allows them to communicate and use echolocation at the same time. Their communication system is highly sophisticated, enabling them to convey a wide range of information to each other. Researchers have identified signature whistles unique to each dolphin, functioning similarly to names, allowing them to call out to one another and maintain social bonds. Number 15. Breathing adaptation. Unlike humans, dolphins do not breathe automatically. They must consciously come up for air, which is why they sleep with one hemisphere of their brain at a time. This adaptation allows them to remain alert to potential threats and continue breathing while resting. During sleep, one hemisphere of the brain remains active to control breathing and monitor the environment, while the other hemisphere rests. Number 14. Speed and agility. Dolphins are known for their speed and agility in the water. They can swim at speeds of up to 20 miles per hour and are capable of performing impressive acrobatic feats, with some species able to leap 20 feet out of the water. Their streamlined bodies and powerful tails enable them to execute rapid turns and complex maneuvers, making them both effective hunters and playful swimmers. They often engage in activities like surfing on waves and riding the waves of boats. Number 13. Skin sensitivity. Dolphin skin is highly sensitive, similar to human fingertips. This sensitivity allows dolphins to detect even the slightest changes in their environment. However, rough surfaces can easily damage dolphin skin, making it vulnerable to injuries. Dolphins regularly shed their outer layer of skin, which helps to reduce drag and maintain their streamlined shape. This rapid regeneration of skin also aids in healing wounds quickly. Number 12. Hearing ability. Dolphins have extraordinary hearing capabilities, able to detect frequencies 10 times higher than humans. They can hear sounds through their lower jaw bones, which conduct sound to their inner ears. This acute hearing is crucial for their communication and echolocation. Dolphins can hear both high-frequency sounds used in echolocation and lower-frequency sounds used in social communication, allowing them to navigate their environment and maintain complex social interactions. Number 11. Dental diversity. Dolphins have a diverse range of teeth. Bottlenose dolphins typically have between 80 to 100 teeth, while species like the long-beaked common dolphin can have up to 240 teeth. Their teeth are designed to catch and hold prey, which they swallow whole. Unlike humans, dolphins do not use their teeth for chewing. Instead, their teeth are primarily used to grasp slippery prey such as fish and squid, which they then swallow in large chunks or whole. Number 10. Feeding habits. Dolphins do not chew their food. Their teeth are specifically adapted to catch and hold onto prey, which they swallow whole. This feeding strategy is efficient and allows them to quickly consume their food in the wild. Dolphins often hunt in groups, using sophisticated techniques to herd and capture fish. Some species even use tools, like marine sponges, to assist in their foraging efforts on the ocean floor. Number 9. Diet. While dolphins primarily eat fish, some species, such as orcas, the largest dolphin species, also hunt marine mammals like seals and whales. This varied diet showcases their adaptability and diverse hunting skills. Depending on their habitat, dolphins may also consume squid, crustaceans, and other marine organisms. Their diet and hunting strategies can vary greatly between species and populations, reflecting their ability to adapt to different environments. Number 8. Sleeping. Dolphins have a unique way of sleeping by resting one hemisphere of their brain at a time. This method allows them to stay alert to potential threats and maintain the conscious control necessary for breathing. During sleep, one eye remains open, and the opposite hemisphere of the brain stays active, while the other eye is closed and the corresponding hemisphere rests. This adaptation ensures they can continue to surface for air and remain aware of their surroundings. Number 7. Unique births. Baby dolphins, known as calves, are usually born tail first. This unusual birth method helps prevent drowning during the birthing process. Calves stay with their mothers for several years, learning essential survival skills during this time. The mother-calf bond is strong, with mothers providing protection, guidance, and nutrition through nursing. During the early months, calves remain in close proximity to their mothers, learning important social and hunting behaviors. Number 6. Blowhole. A dolphin's blowhole is an evolved nose located on top of its head, allowing them to breathe easily while swimming. This adaptation is essential for their aquatic lifestyle, enabling them to surface for air without interrupting their movement. The blowhole is covered by a muscular flap that opens and closes to prevent water from entering the respiratory system. Dolphins can expel air at speeds up to 100 miles per hour, clearing their blowholes in a quick and efficient manner. Number 5. Migration. Some dolphin species migrate over long distances in search of food, while others remain in one area throughout their lives. These migration patterns are influenced by environmental factors and the availability of prey. Migratory dolphins often travel in large pods, navigating vast oceanic expanses to reach their feeding grounds. Changes can influence seasonal migrations in water temperature, breeding cycles, and the movement of prey species. Number 4. Blubber. Dolphins have a thick layer of blubber under their skin. This blubber helps insulate them in cold water and serves as an energy reserve. It is a vital adaptation for their survival in various marine environments. Blubber also provides buoyancy, helping dolphins maintain their streamlined shape and energy efficiency while swimming. The thickness of the blubber can vary depending on the species and their habitat, with those in colder waters having thicker blubber for better insulation. Number 3. Brain size. The brain of a bottlenose dolphin weighs about 56 ounces, which is slightly larger than the human brain, weighing about 45 ounces. This large brain size is associated with their high intelligence and complex behaviors. Dolphins have a high brain-to-body mass ratio, indicating advanced cognitive abilities. Their large brains are characterized by extensive folding of the cerebral cortex, which is associated with higher functions such as problem-solving, social interaction, and communication. Number 2. Self-awareness. Dolphins are one of the few species that can recognize themselves in a mirror, indicating a high level of self-awareness. This ability is a sign of advanced cognitive functions and consciousness. Mirror self-recognition tests have shown that dolphins exhibit behaviors indicating they understand the reflection is of themselves, such as using the mirror to inspect parts of their bodies. This self-awareness is a key indicator of their complex cognitive abilities and social intelligence. Number 1. Historical relatives. Dolphins are descendants of terrestrial mammals that returned to the sea about 50 million years ago. They share common ancestry with modern-day ungulates like hippos and pigs, showcasing an incredible evolutionary journey. Fossil evidence and genetic studies indicate that early ancestors of dolphins were land-dwelling creatures that gradually adapted to an aquatic lifestyle. Over millions of years, they evolved streamlined bodies, powerful tails, and adaptations for breathing and echolocation, transforming into the dolphins we know today. That wraps up our aquatic adventure through some of the most surprising dolphin facts. If you love discovering these unique insights with us, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to explore.